Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix TikTok not eligible, which simply means I'm going to teach you things what to do when it says you are not eligible for a TikTok account when you try to make one. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first point to remember is that you may be unable to create a TikTok account if you don't yet meet the age requirements. Throughout the United States, you must be 13 years old or older to create a TikTok account, and in many other countries, you must also be 13 years of the age or older to make a TikTok account. In certain countries, you must be 16 years of age or older to set up the TikTok account. Since you are well above the age of 13 and you are in United States, but the TikTok continues to warn you that you are not eligible to create an account, you should consider these two different options to reset it. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok mobile application and you have to go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that you simply have to click on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you have to go to settings and privacy. Here you have to scroll all the way along, and here you can see the option of free up space right in the cache and cellular option. You simply have to tap on this, and here you have to clear all the cache. This always clears out the majority of the temporary and junk files in the application, and after this you can try it again. If it still doesn't work, you can exit out of the TikTok, and you can also uninstall and then reinstall the app. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store, and here in the search bar you simply have to search for TikTok. So here you have to click on uninstall, and then you have to again reinstall the app by simply tapping on the install button from here. So if you are expecting issues with an app, this is a very simple and quick method to reset things, and make sure this is not an issue with the app that's install these things that become corrupted over the time, to keep an eye out of that. So once you have installed the TikTok app again, there should be a clean variant. Once you have finished installing it, you will see that you can open it and you can again sign into your TikTok, and everything will get back to normal with the fresh new files, and you will not get the issue again. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.